மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the mock test paper from biology full syllabus. The students, those who are preparing for NEET 2021 examination, for them this video is prepared. By simple listening, you can able to reach your maximum target. Let us continue the question and answer with detailed solutions one by one. Question number 1. Which of the following is the correct matching pair of the sanctuary and its main protected wild animals? Gir forest is important for protecting lion. So the answer for this question is option A, Gir lion. Question number 2. Embryoids are the somatic cells. After attaining the stationary phase of in cell suspension, each cell differentiate into an independent embryo called as embryoids. So the answer for this question is option A, embryos produced from the culture of somatic plant cells. Question number 3. Free central placentation is not present in. The placentas often occur in distinct lines called lines of placentation. The number of ovules is arranged on a central axis in multilocular ovary. Within the ovary, each ovule is borne by placenta or arises as a continuation of the floral apex. Angle of locule, this is axial placentation. Free central placentation occurs in bi or multicarpellary but unilocular ovary. Placenta develop along the fused margins of the adjacent carpels. Number of placenta corresponds to the number of carpels. Example, Argemone, Cucurbita, Dianthus, Primrose, etc. So the answer for this question is option A, lemon. Free central placentation is not present in lemon. Question number 4. Majority of proteins, that means intracellular use, are not synthesized on. All ribosomes are synthesized and assembled in nucleolus. Most of the proteins are synthesized in cytosol of the cell. Some proteins that are produced in secretory cells are synthesized by the ribosomes attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear membranes. These include the digestive enzymes produced in the stomach and the protein hormones like insulin produced in the pancreas. So the answer for this question is option A. From the given 5 statements, A and D found in perimitochondrial space of prokaryotic cells. Question number 5. The study related to the given below pictorial representation is: demography is the study of human population growth and prediction of future development. Anthropology is the field of study of humans and its behavior and societies in the past and present. Sociology is the study of the development, structure, and functioning of human society. Geography is the study of places and the relationship between people and environment. So the answer for this question is option D, anthropology. Question number 6. Which one of the following is an example of cleistogamy? In cleistogamy, bisexual flowers never open. Therefore, the pollen grains may only pollinate the stigma of same flower. Example, Commelina bengalensis, it is generally called as dayflower, and Viola odorata. So the answer is option C, Viola. Question number 7. Milk is changed into curd by microorganisms such as lactobacillus, streptococcus lactis, and other commonly called lactic acid bacteria grow in milk and convert it to curd at 40 degrees Celsius. During growth, the lactic acid bacteria produce acids that coagulate and partially digest the milk protein. A small amount of curd added to the fresh milk as inoculum or started contain millions of lactic acid bacteria which at suitable temperatures multiply, thus converting milk to curd. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given bacterial species, none of the bacterial species used to change milk into curd. Question number 8. Which of the following groups is absolutely essential functional component of the ecosystem? Ecosystem composed of biotic and abiotic component. Biotic component includes producers, consumers, and detritivores. The producers and detritivores are absolutely essential functional component of the ecosystem. So the answer for this question is option C, producers and detritivores. Question number 9. Avena coleoptile test detects the presence of. Avena curvature test carried out by F.W. Wendt demonstrated the effect of auxins on plant growth by performing some experiments with the oat. The botanical name of the oat plant is Avena sativa coleoptile. Indole acetic acid is a natural auxin. Auxin, the name derived from Greek word to grow, weakly acidic growth hormones having an unsaturated ring structures and capable of performing cell elongation, especially of shoots. So the answer for this question is option A, indole acetic acid. Question number 10. Polyspermy is prevented by all the events except. Although many sperm attaches to the egg, it is only one sperm enters into the egg. There are few mechanisms the animals adopt to ensure to avoid polyspermy. Among them, the first block to polyspermy occurs within a tenth of a second of fusion and involving the opening of Na plus channel in the plasma membrane of egg. Na plus flows into the egg by depolarizing the membrane and prevents additional sperm from the fusing to egg. So the answer for this question is option D. Sodium gates in the egg membrane getting closed. Question number 11. The correct representation of pyramid is upright pyramid. In the upright pyramid, the base occupied by producers is broad as compared to subsequent consumers, which gradually narrows down at the apex. It occurs in all three kinds of pyramids. Pyramid of energy is always upright, can never be inverted because when energy flows from a particular tropic level to the next tropic level, some energy is always lost as heat at each step. The given pyramid represents the grassland ecosystem. So the answer for this question is option A. Pyramid of number in the grassland ecosystem. Question number 12. Which of the following statements are false? In plants, translocation of sucrose is performed by phloem vessels and tracheids. According to cell theory, all cells arise from pre-existing living cells. Eukaryotic cells normally range between 1 to 100 mu micron in diameter and prokaryotic cell size ranges from 0.1 to 5 mu micron in diameter. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given 5 statements, statement 1, 4 and 5 are wrongly given. Question number 13. Two bacteria found to be very useful in genetic engineering experiments are Caenorhabditis elegans and Agrobacterium tumefaciens are both used as vectors in genetic engineering. Nitrobacter converts nitrites to nitrates. Azotobacter is a free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Nitrosomonas converts ammonia to nitrite. Rhizobium is a symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria living in the roots of leguminous plants. Diplococcus pneumoniae cause pneumonial fever. So the answer for this question is option A. Caenorhabditis and Agrobacterium. Question number 14. The early stage human embryo distinctly possession of pharyngeal gill slits and gill pouches is one of the three diagnostic characters of chordates. So these structures do appear in embryonic stages of all vertebrates. So the answer for this question is option B, gill slits. Question number 15. Respiration is a Respiration is a catabolic, exothermic, and oxidative process. Cellular respiration is an enzyme controlled process of biological oxidation of food material in a living cell using molecular oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water, and releasing energy in small steps. So, the answer for this question is option B, oxidation reaction. Question number 16. There are two statements are given. Statement 1, lysosomes are membrane bound structures. Statement 2, these are Golgian vacuoles. Lysosomes are membrane bound organelles that contain digestive enzymes that break down proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. They are important in processing the content of vesicles taken from outside the cell. It is crucial to maintain the integrity of lysosomal membranes because the enzymes they contain can digest cellular components as well. Golgian vacuoles are expanded part of the cisternae which have become modified to form vacuoles. The vacuoles develop from the concave or maturing phase. Golgian vacuoles contain amorphous or granular substance. Some of the Golgian vacuole function as lysosomes. So the answer for this question is option B. Both the statements are true. Question number 17. Identify the wrong statement in context of heartwood. Heartwood is physiologically inactive due to deposition of organic compounds and tyloses formation. So this will not conduct water and minerals. Heartwood is a central cylinder found in tree trunks. Heartwood forms as tree ages and the inner xylem cells lose the capacity to transfer water. Heartwood tends to be darker in color than sapwood since it is normally filled with various types of oils, dyes, and sugars. The primary function of heartwood is to provide adequate support to the tree. So the answer is option C. It conducts water and minerals efficiently. So that is the wrong statement. Question number 18. Which is a symptom of exothalamic goiter? Exothalamic goiter is otherwise called as Graves' disease, is a thyroid enlargement in which thyroid secretes excessive amount of thyroid hormones. It is characterized by protrusion of eyeballs because of fluid accumulation behind them, loss of weight, rapid heartbeat, nervousness, restlessness. So the answer for this question is option D. Both A and B are the symptom of exothalamic goiter. Question number 19. Cypnogamous fertilization takes place in. Cypnogamous fertilization is the fertilization in which a long pollen tube carry two male sperm near the egg cell is called as cypnogamous fertilization. This is only found in gymnosperms and angiosperms. So the answer is option D. Pinus. Cypnogamous fertilization takes place in pinus. Question number 20. C4 plants are most efficient plants of tropical climate and C4 plants shows Kranz anatomy. Carbon dioxide fixation in C4 plants occur twice. First in mesophyll chloroplast with the help of enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase and second in bundle sheath chloroplast which help of enzyme Rubisco. Because of Rubisco function in C4 plant as carboxylase, photorespiration is avoided. So the answer for this question is option B. Have large number of chloroplasts and thick walls of bundle sheath cells. Question number 21. Which one of the following is related to ex situ conservation of threatened animals and plants? Ex situ conservation is an off-site strategy for conservation of animals and plants in a zoological park and botanical gardens respectively. Wildlife safari parks are used for the ex situ conservation of threatened animals and plants. They are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special settings. Here they are protected and given special care. So the answer is option A, wild safari parks. Question number 22. Archaeopteryx, a transitional fossil between birds and reptiles, was discovered from the rocks of following period. Archaeopteryx, intermediate between reptiles and birds, originated towards the close of Jurassic period. Archaeopteryx as a transitional fossil between dinosaurs and modern birds. Archaeopteryx lived around 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. So the answer is option A, Jurassic. Question number 23. What is the name of the complex formed at the time of action of T cells? T lymphocytes are involved in cell mediated immunity. T cells largely recognize proteins that have been processed within antigen presenting cells and presented on the cell surface in the form that is bound to molecule known as major histocompatibility complex. So the answer is option D, MHC antigen complex. That means major histocompatibility complex. Question number 24. The gram negative bacteria detect and respond to chemicals in their surroundings by the inner membrane of gram negative bacteria process barrel shaped membranous protein called as sporins. These sporins are hydrophilic in nature and facilitate the movement of aqueous solutions that are water soluble in and out of the cell. They respond to the surroundings by serving as a receptor sites for bacteriophages. So the answer is option D, porins. Question number 25. An example of plant growth promoting gram negative bacterium which is pleomorphic in nature is Rhizobium is a soil bacterium which is gram negative in nature and shows pleomorphic structure. This is rhizosphere bacterium involved in the formation of root nodules by getting associated with the roots of the leguminous plants. So the answer is option B, Rhizobium bacteria. Question number 26. Tubectomy is method of sterilization in which tubectomy is a sterilization method of birth control in which small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up. The answer is option A, small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up. Question number 27. Afferent nerve fibers carry impulses from neurons that receive information from our sensory organs, for example, eye, skin, and transmit the input to the central nervous system are called as afferent neurons. Neurons that send impulses from central nervous system to your limbs and organs are called as efferent neurons. So the answer is option B, receptors to central neural system. Question number 28. Among the 5 classes of immunoglobulins in humans, the one that is secretory in nature is among the 5 classes of immunoglobulins in humans, hemoglobin A and immunoglobulin M are secretory in nature. This secretory immunoglobulin A is involved in mucosal defense mechanism compared to immunoglobulin M. Immunoglobulin A is the most potent secretory antibody. So the answer for this question is option D, both immunoglobulin A and immunoglobulin M. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is false? All the individuals of species living within a specific area are collectively called as population. Different populations may live in the same specific area. A community is set of populations inhabiting a particular area. An ecosystem consists of all the living things in a particular area together with the abiotic or non-living parts that of the environment. At the highest level of organization, the biosphere is the collection of ecosystems and it represents the zones of life on earth. It includes land, water, and portions of the atmosphere. So the answer is option B, from the given four statements, statement B is wrong one. Communities exist within populations which exist within ecosystem. Question number 30. The study of the energy transfer and relationship between all living organisms is known as. Energy is the capacity to do work, and all living beings must work to live. The green plants convert radiant energy. Bioenergetics is the branch of science studied with use and transformation of energy by living cells. The energy flow in living systems obeys the first and second laws of branch of physics known as thermodynamics. So the answer for this question is option A, thermodynamics. Question number 31. The genotypes of a plant variety were capital T, small t, capital H, small h, capital T, small h, small h, small t, capital H, and small t, small h, where capital T is tallness and capital H is hairy stem. Which one of the following crosses would produce progeny giving a phenotypic ratio approximately 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1? So this is a dihybrid test cross which produce the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So the answer for this question is option D, capital T, capital H, small h, crossed with small t, small h. Question number 32. Which of the following pair is correct? Plant absorbs calcium from the soil in the form of calcium ions. Calcium is required by meristematic and differentiating tissues. During cell division, it is used in the synthesis of the cell wall, particularly as a calcium pectate in the middle lamella. It is also needed during the formation of the mitotic spindle. It accumulates in older leaves. It is involved in the normal functioning of the cell membranes. It activates certain enzymes and plays an important role in regulating metabolic activities. So the answer for this question is option C, calcium formation of the mitotic spindle. Question number 33. All enzymes of TCA cycle are located in the mitochondrial matrix except one which is located in inner mitochondrial membranes in eukaryotes and in the cytosol in prokaryotes. This enzyme is succinate ubiquinone oxidoreductase, also known as in mitochondria as a complex 2, provides a link between the citric acid cycle and membrane bound electron transport system. The membrane extrinsic water soluble domain known as succinate dehydrogenase contain the fumarate or succinate active site with a covalently bound FAD group and 3 iron sulfur clusters. So the answer for this question is option C, succinate dehydrogenase. Question number 34. Which of the following statement is wrong in the case of Bhopal tragedy? In Bhopal tragedy was occurred on the night of December 2nd and 3rd in the year of 1984 at the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. A leak of methyl isocyanate gas and other chemicals from the plant resulted in the exposure of hundreds of thousands of people. So the answer for this question is option C, radioactive fallout engulfed Bhopal. Question number 35. The two polypeptides of human insulin are linked together by. The human insulin has two polypeptide chains A and B linked together by disulfide bridges. So the answer is option D, disulfide bridges. Question number 36. Which of the following excretory organs is found in crustaceans? Protonephridia or flame cells are the excretory structures in platyhelminthes. Example, flatworms, planaria, rotifers, some annelids, and the cephalochordata amphioxus. Protonepridia are primarily concerned with ionic and fluid volume regulation. It is generally called as osmoregulation. Nepridia are the tubular excretory structures of earthworm and other annelids. Nepridia help to remove nitrogenous waste and maintain a fluid and ionic balance. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structures of most of the insects, including cockroaches. Malpighian tubules help in removal of nitrogenous waste and osmoregulation. Antral glands or green glands perform the excretory function in crustaceans like prawns. So the answer is option C, green gland. Question number 37. What is the number of extinct animals documented by IUCN Red List as per 2004 in the last 500 years? The IUCN Red List 2004 documents the extinction of 784 species, including 338 vertebrates, 359 invertebrates, and 87 plants in the last 500 years. So the answer is option D, 784. Question number 38. Which of the following is a secondary metabolite as well as drug? The production of secondary metabolites by plant cells and tissues has become an active field of study because of its potential as a source of valuable pharmaceutical compounds. Alkaloids such as anti-cancer drugs, vinblastine and vincrestin are examples of such compounds which are secondary metabolites as well as a drug. So the answer is option B, vinblastine. Question number 39. Select the wrong statement from the following. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the animal world and ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase is the most abundant protein in the whole of biosphere. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. Rubisco found in stroma of chloroplast and has bifunctional activity. Carboxylase and oxygenase. Low carbon dioxide, high oxygen. Rubisco perform oxygenase activity. High carbon dioxide and low oxygen. Rubisco perform carboxylase activity. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given four statements, statement D is wrongly given. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the whole of the biosphere and Rubisco is the most abundant protein in the animal world. That is wrong statement. Question number 40. Find the mismatch from the following pairs. Saddle joint between carpal and metacarpal of thumb. That is mismatched. So the answer for this question is option A, joint between carpal and metacarpal of thumb is they are given gliding joint. That is wrong one. Question number 41. Restriction endonuclease ECORI enzyme cut the strand of DNA. Restriction endonuclease enzyme cut the strand of DNA from the center of palindromic sequence. These sequences have same bases. Two DNA strand from 5' to 3'. So the answer is option A, from the center of the palindromic sequence. Question number 42. If due to some injury, the chordae tendineae of the tricuspid valve of the human heart is partially non-functional, what will be the immediate effect? If chordae tendineae of the tricuspid valve become partially non-functional due to injury, then flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced. So the answer for this question is option D. The flow of blood into pulmonary artery will be reduced. Question number 43. Which of the following barrier methods are reusable? Diaphragms, cervical caps, and valves are also barriers made of rubbers that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They prevent conception by blocking the entry of sperms through the cervix. They are reusable. Spermicidal creams, jellies, and foams are usually used along with these barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. So the answer is option C, cervical cap. Question number 44. Which of the following is the odd one out? Mitochondria, chloroplast, bacteriophage have DNA as part of them. Meanwhile, tobacco mosaic virus and plant viruses have RNA as genetic material. So the answer is option D, TMV. Question number 45. In succulent plants, the stomata open in the night and close in the daytime. Which among the following would be best hypothesis to explain the mechanism of stomatal action in the night only? In camp plants, stomata open at night. In these plants, night acidification occurs. For example, malic acid is synthesized during night due to incomplete oxidation of carbohydrates. At night, malic acid formed in God cells dissociates into hydrogen and malate ions. Potassium ion exchange from subsidiary cells with hydrogen ions. Thus, due to accumulation of potassium ions, osmotic pressure of God cells increases, endosmosis occurs, and God cells become turgid, due to which stomata opens. The malic acid at daytime breaks into carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid, thus increasing the concentration of carbon dioxide in mesophyll cells. This is utilized in Calvin cycle to form sugar, which is finally converted into starch. So the answer is option B, increases in carbon dioxide concentration, conversion of organic acids into starch, resulting in the increased conversion into sugars, resulting in K plus transport. Question number 46. Which one of the following statement is correct? In monocotyledonous endospermic seeds, the endosperm is surrounded by proteinaceous one-cell thick layer called as alluron layer. The cells of alluron layer are filled with proteinaceous alluron grains which play an important role at the time of germination. So the answer is option C. A proteinaceous alluron layer is present in maize grain. Question number 47. In a hierarchical system of plant classification, which one of the following taxonomic rank generally ends in CEAE? Family is a taxonomic category between the division and order. It includes one or more genera. Its suffix is ACEAE. So the answer is option A. Family name always ending with ACEAE. Question number 48. Which of the following are the features of an ideal contraceptive? An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective, and reversible with no or least side effects. It also should in no way interfere with the sexual drive, desire, the sexual act of the user. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective, and reversible with no or least side effects. It is also should in no way interfere with the sexual drive, desire, and the sexual act of the user. A wide range of contraceptive methods are presently available, which could be broadly grouped into the following categories, namely natural or traditional, barrier, IUDs, oral contraceptives, injectables, implants, and surgical methods. So the answer for this question is option A from the given statements. Statement A, B, and E are the ideal contraceptive methods. Question number 49. From the following statement, select the wrong one. Prawn has one pair of antennae, one on either side, just below the antennules. They are sensory, excretory, and balancing in function. Antennules are attached on either side below the base of eye stalks. They are tactile in function. Nematocysts are present in nidoblast that act as organs of offense and defense. Millipedes belong to the class Myriapoda. They are called thousand-leggers because of a position of numerous walking legs. Body is made up of small head and 40 trunk segments, each with two pairs of jointed legs. Animals belonging to the phylum Porifera are mostly marine and a few are freshwater. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given statements, wrong one is prawn has two pairs of antennae is the wrong one. Question number 50. Mendel did not recognize the linkage phenomenon in his experiments because Mendel did not recognize the linkage phenomenon in his experiments because characters he studied were located on different chromosomes. He studied 7 pairs of characters which were present on 4 different pairs of chromosomes. So the answer is option D. The studied characters were located on different chromosomes. Question number 51. Which of the following represent the edible part of the fruit lychee? In lychee, aerial forms the edible part in fruit. It is a collar-like outgrowth from the base of the ovule forming a kind of third integument. Lychee is a nut. In lychee, the epicarp and mesocarp together become leathery and the endocarp is membranous. So the answer is option D, aerial. Question number 52. In human beings, the hollow ball of cells called A about B days after fertilization burrows into the lining of uterus, even called implantation. Blanks A, B respectively are. After the formation of the zygote, it enters the uterus in 3 to 5 days, and the uterus, the cells continue to divide, becoming a hollow ball of cells called as blastocyst. The blastocyst implants in the walls of the uterus about 7 days after fertilization. So the answer for this question is option C. From the given statement, A represent blastocyst, B represent 7 days. Question number 53. Prophase of first meiotic division is typically longer and complex. It is subdivided into 5 stages: leptotin, zygotin, pactin, diplotin, and diakinesis. Which of the following statement is not correct about these phases? The final stage of meiotic prophase 1 is diakinesis. This is marked by terminalization of chiasmata. During this stage, the chromosomes are fully condensed and the meiotic spindle is assembled to prepare the homologous chromosomes for separation. So the answer for this question is option C. Diplotin stage is marked by terminalization of chiasmata. So that is the wrong one. Question number 54. In the 5 kingdom classification, which kingdom occupies an intermediate position from a phylogenetic point of view? In the 5 kingdom classification, Protista occupies intermediate position from phylogenetic point of view because all multicellular eukaryotes like plants, fungi and animals are originated from unicellular eukaryotic Protista. So the answer is option B, Protista. Question number 55. The fertilization involving the carrying of male gametes by the pollen tube is called. In angiosperms, the male gametes are carried by the pollen tube was discovered by Strasburger in the year of 1884. The process is called as syponogamy. So the answer is option B, syponogamy. Question number 56. Test cross is when the cross of F1 hybrids with its recessive parent. It is used to observe that the F1 is homozygous or heterozygous. It gives 1:1 ratio in monohybrid and 1:1:1:1 ratio in dihybrid cross. So the answer is option C. F1 hybrids were crossed with homozygous recessive parent is called as test cross. Question number 57. Vertebral formula for human being is: cervical vertebrae are 7 in number, thoracic 12 in number, lumbar 5 in number, sacral 5 in number in childhood. They fuse in adults to form a single bone. The sacrum coccygeal vary from 3 to 5 in number. So the answer for this question is option B. That is the correct answer for human vertebral formula. Question number 58. When secondary growth in thickness is initiated in a dicot root, which of the following happens first? When secondary growth in thickness is initiated in dicot root, parenchyma between xylem and phloem becomes meristematic. Vascular bundles in dicot roots are radial, exarch, and mostly triarch. Vascular ganglion is formed from conjunctive parenchymatous cells lying just below each phloem stand. Thus, the number of cambium stripes formed equals the number of phloem stands. The answer for this question is option B. Parenchyma between xylem and phloem becomes meristematics. Question number 59. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of thyroxine in adults? Myxedema occurs due to deficiency of thyroxine in adult. The peculiar feature of myxedema is that face and hand become swollen due to deposition of albuminous myxomatous tissue. So the answer for this question is option C. Myxoderma. Question number 60. Given below are 4 statements, each with 2 blanks. Select the option which correctly fills up the blank in 2 statements. On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidney per minute, which constitute roughly around 1/5 of the blood pumped out by each ventricle of the heart in a minute. So the answer for this question is option C. On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute, which constitute roughly around 1/5 of the blood pumped out by each ventricle of the heart in a minute. Question number 61. Which of the following checkpoint is predominantly activated when the DNA has started forming replication fork? There are 3 known checkpoints. The G1 checkpoint, also known as the restriction or start checkpoint or major checkpoint, the G2 or M checkpoint, and the metaphase checkpoint, also known as the spindle checkpoint. The primary G1 and S cell cycle checkpoint controls the commitment of eukaryotic cells to transition through the G1 phase to enter into the DNA synthesis in S phase. So the answer is option A. Question number 62. Which of the following has the lowest cranial capacity? The first human-like beings, the hominid, was called Homo habilis. The brain capacities were between 650 to 800 cc. They probably did not eat meat. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891 revealed the next stage. Homo erectus about 1.5 million years ago. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. Homo erectus probably ate meat. The Neanderthal man with brain size of 1400 cc lived in Near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. So the answer for this question is option B. Homo habilis. Question number 63. A multicellular filamentous algae exhibits a type of sexual life cycle in which the meiotic division occurs after the formation of zygote. The adult filament of the algae has adult filament of a multicellular filamentous alga have haplontic life cycle in which the meiotic division occurs after the formation of zygote. So the filament of this algae have haploid vegetative cells and haploid gametangia. So the answer is option D, haploid vegetative cells and haploid gametangia. Question number 64. How many megaspores take part in the development of monosporic female gametophyte? One megaspore mother cell forms 4 megaspores, 3 out of 4 megaspores degenerate, and only one megaspore take part in the formation of female gametophyte. So the answer is option A, 1. Question number 65. Lens of eyes is derived from. Eye lens is derived from ectoderm. The lens is composed of transparent flexible tissue and is located directly behind the iris and the pupil. It is the second part of the eye after the ciliary muscles, which are part of the ciliary body. The lens is derived from the surface of ectoderm. So the answer is option A, ectoderm. Question number 66. Entamoeba differs from amoeba is not having absence of contractile vacuole in Entamoeba histolytica is a distinguished feature from amoeba. So the answer is option D, contractile vacuole. Question number 67. The nucleases cleaving nucleotides one at a time from the end of the polynucleotide chain are exonucleases remove nucleotides from the terminal ends, either 5 end or 3 end of the DNA is one strand of double stranded DNA. So the answer is option C, specific for both 5 and 3 ends of the nucleotide strands. Question number 68. In prokaryotes, which ribosome helps in peptide bond formation? The 23S type of ribosomal RNA is an component of the large subunit in E. coli, consists of 50S of the bacterial ribosome. Peptide bond formation by the ribosome requires 23S ribosomal RNA and its interaction with the 3-end CCA end of tRNA. So the answer is option D, 23S ribosomal RNA. Question number 69. Which of the following layers of anther wall helps in protection as well as in the dehiscence of anther for the release of pollen grains? In a transverse section of anther, a typical microsporangium appears near circular in outline. It is generally surrounded by 4 wall layers: the epidermis, endothecium, middle layers, and tapetum. The outer 3 wall layers perform the function of protection and help in dehiscence of anther to release pollen. The innermost wall layer is tapetum. It nourishes the developing pollen grains. So the answer is option D, outer 3 layers of anther walls. Question number 70. Which of the following is correct? Hemoglobinic acid is a very weak acid formed inside the red blood cells when hydrogen ions produced by the dissociation of carbonic acid combine with the hemoglobin. So the answer for this question is option A. The H plus released from carbonic acid combines with hemoglobin to form hemoglobinic acid. Question number 71. Bean seeds were planted and put on a sunny windowsill. As the plants grew, their stems bent towards the window. This bending was most likely caused by the plant hormone auxin is more distributed on the side away from the unilateral illumination, causing cells to grow faster in darker side, which in turn causes the plant to bend toward the light. If the distribution were equal, the plant would grow just upwards. Neurotransmitters are also chemicals secreted by multicellular animals and are used in transmitting impulses in the nervous system. So the answer for this question is option A, unequal distribution of oxygen in the stem. Question number 72. Which cartilage is present at the end of long bones? Hyaline cartilage is present at the end of a long articular bone. It provides a smooth articular surface to permit movement at joints. Elastic cartilage is found where support with flexibility is needed, such as in external ears. Fibrocartilage is a very tough substance and is used in place of the body where shock absorbers are needed. Example, discs between vertebrae and in the knee joint. Answer is option B, hyaline cartilage. Question number 73. The principal agent of alcoholic fermentation and bread making is Saccharomyces cerevisiae under anaerobic condition converts sugary solutions into alcohol. The enzyme zymase is responsible for this conversion. Saccharomyces cerevisiae also used in bread making. So the answer is option B, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Question number 74. Simple epithelium is a tissue in which the cells are. Simple epithelium is a tissue made up of single layer of compactly arranged cells, all of which rest over a non-cellular basement membrane. So the answer is option B, cemented directly to one another to form a single layer. Question number 75. In pea plants, yellow seeds are dominant to green. If a heterozygous yellow seeded plant is crossed with a green seeded plant, what will be the ratio of yellow and green seeded plants would you expect in F1 generation? The F1 generation, you can expect both 50-50%. So the answer for this question is option D. Question number 76. Stomata open and close due to opening of stomata. Increase in turgidity of guard cells cause opening of stomata. During closing, due to loss of water from guard cells, the guard cells become flaccid and cause closing of stomata. Rise in the temperature cause stomatal opening. Fall in temperature cause stomatal closing. Cytokinins are required for keeping the stomata in open condition. Abscisic acid brings about the closing of stomata. So the answer for this question is option D. Stomata open and close due to turgor pressure change, hormonal change, temperature change. So the correct option is option D. Question number 77. Secretin stimulates the production of pancreatic juice. Secretion is regulated by the hormone secretin, which is produced by the walls of the duodenum upon deduction of acidic food, proteins and fats. So the answer is option D, pancreatic juice. Question number 78. A man with a certain disease marries a normal woman. They have 8 children, including 3 daughters and 5 sons. All the daughters suffer from their father's disease, but none of the sons is affected. What will be the mode of inheritance of disease? The daughters receive one X chromosome from the father and one X chromosome from mother. Since all the daughters suffer from their father's disease, the X chromosome from the father must be carrying a dominant trait. So the answer for this question is option B, sex-linked dominant disease. Question number 79. Which of the following enzyme affect the process of synthesis of new DNA chain? There are 5 DNA polymerase enzymes that participate in the process of DNA replication. DNA polymerase 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. DNA polymerase 1 and 3 involved in the replication and have proofreading activity. Towards 5 to 3 direction polymerizing activity, 3 to 5 direction exonuclease activity. DNA polymerase 2, 4, and 5 involved in repair machinery and do not have a proofreading activity. DNA polymerase also known as DNA dependent DNA polymerase. So the answer for this question is option D, polymerase 1. Question number 80. Intercostal muscles are attached to. Intercostal muscles are generally called as two types. External intercostal muscles and internal intercostal muscles are attached with the ribs, which help in the movement of rib cage during breathing. So the answer is option C, ribs. Question number 81. Read the following sentences and select the correct option with all true statements. A, B, C statements are correct, but statement D is wrong because oxytocin is produced in the hypothalamus and is secreted into the bloodstream by the posterior pituitary gland. So the answer for this question is option B. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are the correct options. Question number 82. A bacterial cell was transformed with a recombinant DNA that was generated using a human gene. However, the transformed cells did not produce the desired protein. The reason for this could be intron sequences are removed in eukaryotes while bacteria do not have the mechanism for that and hence cannot produce the desired protein. So the answer is option A. Human gene might have intron with bacteria cannot process. Question number 83. Synthesis of mRNA is. Transcription is the process of the formation of RNA from DNA template. So the answer is option A, transcription. Question number 84. The animal group where the adults are the degenerated but larvae are well developed is. Tunicates shows retrogressive metamorphosis which results in the degeneration in adult. So the answer is option B, tunicates. Question number 85. Productivity is the rate of production of the biomass expressed in terms of the rate of synthesis of energy containing organic matter or biomass by any tropic level per unit area in unit time is described as its productivity. It is measured as weight. For example, gram by meter square per year, or energy, kilocalories by meter square per year. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 86. How does carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas emitted by automobiles, prevent transport of oxygen into body tissues? Carbon monoxide, when inhaled, combines with blood hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin at a rate 210 times faster than the rate at which oxygen forms oxyhemoglobin. Thus, respiration is impaired. So, the answer for this question is option B, by forming a stable compound with hemoglobin. Question number 87. Dichotomous branching is found in. Dichotomous branching is the characteristic feature of liverworts, example Rixia, Morgantia, Pellia, etc. It is a primitive form of branching. It is also called forked branching. In liverworts, the thallus is flat and dorsiventral dichotomously branched. The thallus has notch at the anterior end. At the base of the notch, there is a growing point consisting of a single apical cell. It divides repeatedly to form two branches of the same size. So the answer for this question is option C, liverworts. Question number 88. After vaccination, the body builds up an antibody also known as immunoglobulin is a large Y-shaped protein produced mainly by the plasma cells that are used by the immune system to neutralize pathogens such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. So the answer is option C, antibodies. Question number 89. There are two statements are given. Just go through that. 2A plus X0 genotype represent Turner syndrome in woman. Statement 2, that is 2A and X0 genotype is normal male in grasshopper. X0 type, that is XX, and X0 type, it is observed in large number of insects. Grasshopper number of chromosomes are different in male and female individuals. Here female shows homogamity XX while male shows heterogamity X0. It is clear that all eggs bear an additional X chromosome besides the autosomes, while only 50% of sperms bear X chromosomes. In grasshopper, eggs fertilized by A plus X type sperm become females, while those fertilized by A plus 0 type sperm become males. Therefore, sperm determines the sex of the offspring. Answer for this question is option C. Both the statements, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 90 is the last question. Which of the following does not show divergent evolution? Divergent evolution occurs in the same structure. Example, forelimbs, heart, the brain of vertebrates which have developed along different directions due to the adaptation to different needs. Except the option 4, all are showing divergent evolution, whereas eye of the octopus, bat, and man are examples of analogous organs showing convergent evolution. Octopus belong to the phylum Mollusca. So the answer for this question is option D. Eye of octopus, bat, and man. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. All the best.